Hey everyone, so let's go ahead and talk about the Mimal About pages. Now, as you know, Mimal has three different style kits. There's the default Mimal design. Next off, we have Mimal Blue, and then we also have Mimal Red. Now, with the About pages, essentially there are three options for us to work with and for us to choose from, and these options are listed over here within the header title types or the featured image title and layout options. Technically, whenever you're creating an about page, there is no page template that you need to select that is titled about. You're simply working with the default page template and you're customizing it working with the following featured image settings and also adding in sidebars if that would be required. So let's just go ahead and talk about this view over here that we have, which is just a regular featured image. Next off, we have our page title and then just some text under this. And this applies also to this design on Mimal Blue and to this layout on Mimal Red as well. So this is the exact same, just different styling options. So in order to achieve that look, you'll simply need to first of all upload a featured image, add in your text over here. The following text, as you see, is heading 2 or H2, just so you know, and then there's just regular paragraph text. Okay, and next off, you want to make sure that you display your page title. Over here, select a full width, and over here, this is the view that we need to select, and we need to enable our parallax. Other than that, there's really nothing more to it. If needed, you can customize the title color if that would be required depending on the type of image you are using. So at this point, let's just go ahead and click on update. We'll go ahead here and actually we'll need to go back and we'll need to open up our test page, the one that we've created. Okay, so I'm currently using Mimal Blue for my style kit, and as you see here, I have the following image, and then I have my page title, and then I have the text I've added here. Okay, so also one thing that I wanted to bring your attention is the following image and parallax effect. Now, as you'll see here, the image scrolls up. However, because my image is horizontal, you'll see that I run out of image before the parallax effect is over. You can see that just right over here in this area if we scroll down the following page just like that. So I would recommend that you play around a little bit with the following images and make sure that you crop an image that will work seamlessly with this parallax effect if you want to, just to ensure that it looks good and that you don't run out of image before the parallax is over. Okay, and next off, and yeah, as mentioned, the same applies to the following settings here, or to the following page layouts here as well. Okay, so let's just close these off and we'll go ahead and talk about this layout over here. And in order to achieve that, well, you simply need to change the following view. You keep the parallax effect and you also keep your page title. You click on update and we'll go here, refresh our test about page. Okay, and you'll see that we have pretty much the same effect. Alright, and also let's go ahead and take a look at this page over here. So this particular page, you'll see that we have a very subtle parallax effect as well, and that is achieved by simply disabling the following page title. We're not changing the layout, we're simply disabling the page title. So let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, and here's what we have. So same effect as we have here on Mimal Red, except that Mimal Red also has the following sidebar. Now we also have this layout over here. Okay, and let's just go ahead and click on update just to take a quick look and see how this works. Okay, so here we have pretty much, well, almost the same effect as this one over here, except that we don't have any color changes within the background. So you can see our text sliding over the hexagon here, but there is no color change as we have in this demo version. So depending on which option you want to go with, you would have these two layouts to choose from if you want to have that color fade in or fade out. Alright, So yeah, this is pretty much it in terms of the layouts and the options that we have to work with. Once again, there's only these three layouts we offer at this point, and you can enable, disable your parallax, and then of course enable or disable your page title. So these are some options for you to work around with, and in our next video we'll go ahead and talk about how to customize the following sidebar so you can add that into your pages as well.